Now Team Himalayas are going to present a presentation, and this time Team Himalaya will lead by Akash and their members. Come here and give the presentation.
Hello everyone, and I'm Manish Kumar, and I'm the start of my presentation, and my topic is northern mountain in India, and my team members is Akash, Rahul, Nikhil, and Purnima, and the big opportunity for start the presentation. It's my responsibility and start the presentation. And the first topic is content. And this content is our presentation is first is physical history and polity, and second is geography, and third is culture and traditional, and fourth is economic and farming, and fourth is tourist and attraction place, and the last is conclusion. So start the presentation, and the first topic is history and polity, and first topic is history. Start the how was it formed, and about 40 to 50 million years ago, and the two landmass plates, Indian and Eurasian plates, are so behind by the bound thing, and the so result is about big sea, and it is the historical, and it is made by the Himalaya mountain, and it is allocated for the India and the China border. Border, and second is how many rulers ruled here. The two rulers ruled here. First is Gupta Empire, and explain for the Gupta Empire. For the Gupta Empire is the modern earlier empire, and it is the 3rd century started for the all over India, and it is the only area for the northern mountain India, because it is started for the mountain started for the Jammu Kashmir, and last is Uttarakhand. So it is totally for under to Gupta, and the second is Mughal Empire. Mughal Empire is the ancient, modern, earlier ancient ruler in all over in Asia, and the two countries for the started for the Afghanistan, and the second is our country, and it is started for the Jammu Kashmir, and totally dependent for the Mughal Empire for the Jammu Kashmir, and so some parts for Himalaya for Uttarakhand, and the second is over the administration system, and in this ancient time in this area are so good. It is the tourist place, and many tourists is going to the enjoy the party, and the administration system is good, because so many our states in this under state, example for Jammu Kashmir, and Jammu Kashmir under the in this time, and the Article 320 and the 35A is completed in this finished in this era in 5th April 2019 in our parliament, and so passed the bill, and in this time, so Jammu Kashmir and all over rounded states in Himalaya, and so deeply, and good facility for all types of, because all the in this living for the people, and the good, and every facilities for in our country follow the all people, and all types of majority for in this under the states person. And second is a special provision. The special provision is in this my topic for Article 370 is a special provision, and no one go to in the another law and order in these states, and is not under the constitution for the big majority, not for good majority for all people, and the government and in our central minister is so and take over the finish that Article 370, this in the all people go to on for the start the business and all facilities and they start the in the own business for small and large business. It is not for good for in this time and the second is MP and MLA and first and the Jammu Kashmir it is the under 4 Lok Sabha seat and 70 Vidhan Sabha seat in London and in this time Jammu Kashmir is the present party of PDP party and under he will won the 45 seats among 70 and big majority for in this party for in present time is the democracy country and everyone and the good facility and second is Himachal Pradesh is under the 4 Lok Sabha seat and in this present time BJP party is present and the Chief Minister of Jairam Thakur and present in this state for and the second and the third is Uttarakhand under the 3 Lok Sabha seat in this time and this present party for in this state for BJP and last is Ladakh under the 2 Lok Sabha seat and in this present party of Ladakh is BJP and last is the district. The Jammu Kashmir district under the 12 district and the Ladakh is the 2 district in this time and Himachal Pradesh under the 12 district and Uttarakhand under the 13 district. Now I come from Akash and conclude the geographical part of
Good morning everyone, this is Akash and today I present myself with a presentation. So my topic is North and Northern Mountain of India. So I covered the geographical part of Northern Himalayas. First, I want to say Himalayas. What is Himalayas? It make 2 words. Him, it means ice, and Ale, it means living place. That means area of snow that calls Himalaya. Second, we know about crescent shape. Its shape look like half moon, and also it is concave and concave towards Tibetan plateau. It is there and convex towards Gangetic plain. Beyond Gangetic plain and Himalayas is the highest, youngest and most active subcontinental mountain. Active means it is present time it is spread 4 to 6 mm per year. So we are called active. And now I want to say its position. Its position northwest by the mountain range of Hindu Kush Karakoram and North Tibetan Plateau. In north we are see the Tibetan Plateau and south by the Indo-Gangetic plain and west in Nanga Hills. Nanga Hills it is located near Kashmir, Jammu Kashmir and east by the Namcha Badwa Hills. Namcha Badwa is located in the Arunachal Pradesh and its direction is the northwest to southeast. Northwest means northwest. It's a shape like half moon I also mentioned, and northwest to southeast from the Indus to Brahmaputra, Indus River to Brahmaputra Nadi. Indus River it is located in the border of Pakistan, and Brahmaputra it is its border in Bay of Bengal, flow in Bay of Bengal. And now I want to say extension of the Himalayas. Its border touched five countries, but majorly three countries has more boundary connected. First India, Nepal, and last one is Bhutan. Nepal, this is India, and this is Bhutan. So extended, it's all extended 2,400 kilometers from the south of the Indus Valley beyond Nanga Parbat. Nanga Parbat's height is 8,000 approximately, and in the west Namcha Burma. Namcha Burma I also mentioned in border of Pakistan, and east in Tibetan. It's east in Tibetan I also mentioned. It means we call China, and I also mentioned that it's a winder in the west. Winder in the west, it is approximately 400 kilometers, and it is also east in narrow 150 kilometers. 150 kilometers in Arunachal Pradesh, and syntaxial band. Syntaxial band, it means it is a type of knee band. Means that type of band. Two sharp band on the side of end of the Himalayas mountain range. First eastern end and western end and eastern end. And we also covered physiographic division of Himalayas. It is also divided four divisions. First one is Trans Himalaya, second one is Greater Himalaya, and third one is lesser or lower Himalayas, and the last one is the Shivalik and or outer Himalayas. And also other topic is covered by my other team members like Nihal, Rahul, and Nikhil.
Good morning all of you. My name is Rahul. I want to talk about economics and farming. So let's start. Firstly, I say what is the economy? Economy is a social science concerned with the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and service. That are right on. We all know, as we all know, Himalaya is rich in minerals like oxide minerals, sulfide, silicate, and however exploitation is limited to more accessible. The Kashmir region has the vast, highest in concentration in minerals, and there are deposits of copper of ore, Balochistan, and the Ladakh deposit of the borax, and layer of coal is founded in the valley of Jammu and and also found in Kashmir is bauxite. I know we know about Himalayas. Himalayas river generate electric water electric. Second, I want to say Himalaya Himalaya tea is grown mainly in Darjeeling. This is the main source of because in all India grown tea in Himalayas and that of the most of the fruits in Himalayas. Fruit means apple, peaches, cherry. Is most largest scale in grown in Himalayas. Is help to our economy and consumption or occupation, method occupation. Himalayas people are living in a mountain in farming. Farming is terrace and step farming. Step farming. Step farming. In economics condition in the Himalayas are different, limited resource and available in different parts of vast region, various economical zones. Most activity is like animal husbandry and tourist origins, and also important productive land in area in Himalaya, which is western Himalaya, because in Himalaya, which in Kashmir Valley and Kashmir Valley, Satluj River and Kangra Valley is also in which he grown wheat, maize, etc. And about Nepal, Nepal has two-third land arable land in the Nepal. He grown the foothills and adjacent plains, which produce our rice. Most countries total rice countries, and also grown largest crop of maize, wheat, cherry, etc. Thank you. I would like to invite my team member.
So first of all, good morning. I want to wish you here. So my topic, my content is project. So my topic is presentation. So traditional dance and drama. Just culture. Northern India culture is mainly centered traditional and culture, and dance and drama. So in Hindustani classic music or Sanskrit Sangeet is the classical music of Northern India. After 12th century in Hindustan, classical music changed into classical music. So main dance in Northern India are Dhamal, Jammu and Kashmir, Nati, Himachal Pradesh, Dhamel, Haryana, Bhangra, Punjab, and Chandradas, Odisha and Jharkhand. So our next is clothes and style. So clothes. Women traditionally wear salwar kameez, ghagra choli, sari and eran. Dupatta is worn in completely of outfit. Men traditionally wear kurta, kameez and shawl for upper garment. lower garment including dhoti, churidar, salwar and lundi. Pagri is usually worn around the head to complete the outfit. The man usually wears kurta and pants coat with Himachal. So next. Some famous festivals: Losa, Kunga, Mela, Uskar, Saul, language: the Hindu, Punjabi, Kashmiri, Manipur, etc. So next, main clothes. What dresses? Salwar kameez, Gagra choli, sari and Pagri also. I like all of them.
Also developed into an important sector of education and business. It is popular only around destination in Uttarakhand, as Mussoorie is present throughout the year with each weather season bringing a unique touch to the place. Kashmir Valley is well known for its landscape, where the blue sky reflects the calm spell of the lakes and clouds. This canal blessings blooming in their full glory. It is no wonder then that this beautiful valley was so beautiful featured by the wonderful buildings. And the third one is Pangong Lake. Pangong Lake is an indirect lake spanning eastern Ladakh and West Bengal, situated at an elevation of 4,225 meters. It is popular for the changing color ability. This color changes from shades blue to green to red. It is one of the highest altitude lakes in the world that is filled with saline water. And the last one is Kedarnath. So, it is said that the Pandavas constructed the Kedarnath temple, which was later constructed by Adi Shankara in 8th AD. 100% the ancient Kedarnath temple, which has stood the test of time more than 1,000 years ago. So now the best starts for I would like to call on members to cover the project.
I forgot to mention some points in my topic, so I want to mention some points. Himalaya is also safe for chilled winds, which is comes from Siberia, and it is also it also provide many more monsoon in our India because of Indian subcontinent, which is covered by the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and Indian Sea also. When monsoon is flow of in the Indian subcontinent and try to flow in Tibetan Plateau and in other countries. So Himalaya is very highest peak, and it is also stopped, and it is also helpful for our monsoon season. And last one is Malaysia concludes my presentation.
And the final topic is conclusion. And participation for direction for in our knowledge for me and my teammates members, and know about for Himalaya, and in the knowledge for geographical, historical, and all of the topics, and some topics for knowing areas for in this time, in this earlier time. But in this presentation, for we have gained knowledge for all types of, just like example for farming, and many types of we have ideas for farming, for farming, strawberry farming, and especially for Ayurveda farming in this time, and good way for in our country for our transportation system is so good because in this area are so terrorist area in our society, in our country, for it is harmful, but in this area for our administration system is good, for again for in this in our presentation for more knowledge. So for geographical concept, we have to any for what is the shape of mountains for Himalayas. He explained for half moon is shape for in our in Himalaya, and it is good for in our knowledge for all of my teammates and all of my friends, for my teachers. We know about for topics for conclude the all topics, and it's like Nikhil say for traditional and culture. We know, and everyone not know about for what the traditional culture and anything, and we were wearing the formal shorts, pants, and churidar and salwar, and all of the topics for like dancing, anything, and last day we conclude he is the know about for farming crops, and especially for industrial area. In this area for big hub for industry, and like many sectors in the service sectors is good for it, and like our government provides many jobs, and our private companies for in this good for this is the good area for, and start the other in the small company to big company, start the many publics provide jobs, anything, and in the last Purnima says the tourist place we know about for everything Kashmir, and the good place, and many people go to and enjoy the park, enjoy everything, and like it just like we know, and the last is so religious temple for Kedarnath, and he is the one of the seventh of the one, and the Shiv temple for all over India and all over the world is so famous, and like many people come and worship the God.
Good luck. Since you have covered the topics mountains of the North, that is the Himalayas, and Himalayas are the most young landforms made on this earth. Because it is a formed, what happened to you? What happened to you? Because fold mountains are the youngest landforms, and tectonic plates, tectonic shifting is the norm of the day for the young fold mountains. So earthquakes, landslides are the common features that are found in the landslides. So you tell me how we can give a protection, how we can give a measures so that we can protect the people from these natural calamities. Is there any vision? Is there any plan? Because tectonic, shifting of tectonic plates that cause earthquakes, tsunamis, and other, not tsunamis, landslides, these are the common features. So is there any remedy, is there any suggestion so that people will get rid of these problems? Tell me.
So in this area is a mountain area, and the disaster is so normal in this area for like tsunami and everything, and people also protect. He is aware for our governments always for aware for this area and maintain the everything, and allocated the distance of this area, and almost distance of living for all peoples, and and in this time our many scientists for any time check in our situation for in satellites for check what the condition of this Himalaya and everything, and so it is the normal for in this living outside in this area for people for disaster is not for good in this, it always aware for because if do any areas for what times for disaster is in this our village and everything is always prepared for, and it is and our government every time so aware for it.
Akash, come here. Yes, Komal, ask your question.
How will the melting of Himalaya glacier will be impact or large in future on water resources of
First, Himalaya is in Himalaya is much of glaciers, and if a glacier is melting, in Indian subcontinent has many islands like Andaman Nicobar, Lakshadweep, and so on. So it's a direct effect on the island area, and it is covered by the water.
Fine. Come here. Rahul, come here. Amar,
Yes, sir.
ask him a question.
How Himalaya from their eastern and western hills.
Himalayas form the eastern and western edge. Because Himalayas start from from Kashmir region and ends at the Arunachal Pradesh. So how because he has mentioned beautifully about the winter.
Shape of the
Yes. You tell me how both the ends are different from each other and how they form.
So firstly, I told Himalaya in Jammu and Kashmir. He formed by the state Jammu Kashmir start point and last point to the Arunachal Pradesh. He formed just like we are saying moon, half moon shape. But it's different. This is like upper and this is like a lower part. And is made by the before recent time tectonic plate are destroyed and that affected in our
They can come here. Kabi, what is Kabi? Ask him question.
So, we have talked about cultures and tradition. So, what is the culture of Jammu and Kashmir?
Jammu and Kashmir, the culture, they celebrate many festivals. They celebrate many cultures. The local people and tourists has came to this thing because Jammu and Kashmir is the largest state.
Okay, Purnima, come here. Nihal, where is Nihal? Nihal? Ask her question. Go on. Ask her question. What happened to you? Ask her question. Have you listened carefully about here? Stand up and ask questions. Yeah. One.
tell me the government's effort to protect the natural flag.
Tell me some government schemes that are related to conserve some biodiversity that is found in Himalayas. Is there any? Because government have been very proactive because they create lot of sanctuaries. If you see the Assam case, if you see the Arunachal Pradesh, if you see the Himachal, Uttarakhand, we have lot of protected areas in the form of your Corbett National Park, in the form of your many national parks. In Assam also you have lot of national parks. So you tell me some 2 or 3 national parks or protected areas. Other student can also take one question. Anyone who want to take this question? Come here.
Firstly, government has provided good protections related to protect our national parks and also protect our public which is sometimes which is slow on the tsunami in Uttarakhand. So government should have provide good protection and majorly if I talk about
What is I will give you -2 marks. You have not concluded your team. Go and sit there. What happened to you? No, you are participating in the presentation. How can you speak to Ankit? No. I put -0.5 marks to your coordination. Go on.
And majorly protect our national parks by the government like in Assam many types of national parks like I forgot the name of the national parks. I can't recall that. And sir, government should have protect for our national parks because of sir in national park many types of trees and many types of animals, birds living there, and it is very important for our environment.
Clap for them. Excellent.